Welcome to Puppy Paws Storytime. Presley and I hope you enjoy today's story.
Duck on a Bike by David Shannon. One day down on the farm, Duck got a wild idea. I bet I could ride a bike, he thought. He waddled over to where the boy parked his bike, climbed on, and began to ride. At first he rode very slowly, and he wobbled a lot, but it was fun. Duck rode past Cow and waved to her. "Hello, Cow," said Duck. "Moo," said Cow. But what she thought was, a duck on a bike? That's the silliest thing I've ever seen.
That duck is something else. He's on the move.
Then Duck rode past Sheep. "Hello, Sheep," said Duck. "Bah," said Sheep. But what she thought was, he's going to hurt himself if he's not careful.
Oh, my wool. Be safe now, you quick little quack.
Duck was riding better now. He rode past Dog. "Hello, Dog," said Duck. "Woof," said Dog. But what he thought was, this is a mighty neat trick.
Duck on a bike? Duck on a bike?
Then Duck rode past Cat. "Hello, Cat," said Duck. "Meow," said Cat.
Meow.
But what she thought was, I wouldn't waste my time riding a bike.
I find the delicate art of grooming my paws far more appealing.
Duck pedaled a little faster. He rode past Horse. "Hello, Horse," said Duck. "Nay," said Horse. But what he thought was, you're still not as fast as me, Duck.
They don't call it horsepower for nothing.
Duck rang his bell as he rode past Chicken. "Hello, Chicken," said Duck. "Cluck, cluck," said Chicken. But what she thought was, watch where you're going, Duck.
I never should have crossed the road.
Then Duck rode past Goat. "Hello, Goat," said Duck. "Meh," said Goat. But what he thought was, I'd like to eat that bike.
Tires.
Duck stood on the seat and rode past Pig and Pig. "Hello, pigs," said Duck. "Oink," said Pig and Pig. But what they thought was, Duck is such a show-off.
Hey, Pig! I bet he can't roll in the mud.
Oh, please, Pig. No one can roll in the mud like us.
Then Duck rode no hands past Mouse. "Hello, Mouse," said Duck. "Squeak," said Mouse. But what she thought was, I wish I could ride a bike just like Duck.
Wow, Duck really is the big cheese.
Suddenly, a whole bunch of kids came down the road on bikes. They were in such a hurry, they didn't see Duck. They parked their bikes by the house and went inside.
Come on. Are Moo thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, yeah. Yummy.
Now all the animals had bikes. They rode around and around the barnyard. "This is fun," they all said. "Good idea, Duck."
Look at us, Pig! Yeah, Pig! Dog on a bike! Dog on a bike!
Then they put the bikes back by the house, and no one knew that on that afternoon there had been a cow, a sheep, a dog, a cat,
Meow.
a horse, a chicken, a goat, 2 pigs, a mouse, and a duck on a bike. The end.
Presley, tell the boys and girls thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next story.